Every enterprise runs on procurement decisions. Supplier networks span the globe. Billions flow through procurement decisions every day. Now, AI can make things even more productive. But markets move faster than procurement does. Prices change. Supply chains face constant disruption. Most teams are responding to what already happened. In manufacturing, the margin for error is thin. Aircraft, vehicles, heavy equipment, built from thousands of parts, procured across hundreds of suppliers, every part is important. When one component is delayed or overpriced, it doesn't stay contained. It slows down the entire line. Procurement can't afford to wait. Arkestro changes how sourcing starts. Every event begins with a price target, backed by market data, supplier history, and behavioral patterns. Procurement leads instead of reacting. Every supplier response, every outcome, fed back into the system. Cycle time shorten. Suppliers move faster. More spend moves forward at once. Procurement stops chasing the market. It starts staying ahead of it. A digital model that moves faster than production itself. Complete visibility. Every decision is documented, and every change is traceable. Compliance is built in, so risk stays controlled. This is predictive procurement, driven by AI, behavioral science, and game theory. Improving with every decision. Arkestro. Built for how procurement works now.